Hello mga ka-home investors! Andito tayo ngayon sa ating 2-bedroom unit with 50.41 square meter. This is the actual deliverables. Makikita mo, very spacious. Dalawa na yung kanyang 2 toilet and bath dyan. Dito, gamit mo na lang ang kulang. Pwede mo nang tirhan. This is only 31,000 monthly for 31 months, zero interest. For only 463,000 down payment to move in, makakalipat ka na agad. This is a good view with the sunset facing and Manila skyline. Very spacious yung ating master's bedroom dyan. At dito, meron na siyang sariling toilet and bath. If you are interested to have this kind of unit, this is a rent-to-own in San Juan City, very near to Green Hills, Lasal, Ortigas Center, Araneta Center, Cubao, and LRT Gilmore Station, and a lot more. So, guys, if you are wanting to have this unit, this 2025, maganda, mag-grab mo na yung aming anniversary promo para mas makapag-save ka pa ng money. Message me and I will help and guide you. See you soon, guys. God bless.